Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a pot roast in my Instant Pot in under 5 minutes. First, you take your roast, cut it in half, season it. I'm going to use some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to saturate it very well on both sides with each of these seasonings. Next, I'm going to use some salt. You want to salt your roast generously. Listen to me when I say this. It's a lot of meat. Next, my family, we love black pepper, so I'm going to add a lot of black pepper. Next, I'm going to add in some dried onions. You can omit the dried onions. They are a little higher in carbs, and I am a keto eater, so these are my carbs for the day. So we're going to flip this over and do the same thing on the other side for both pieces. Maybe your roast isn't as large as mine. Mine is humongous. So now I'm going to move over to the next step. I'm going to add some oil into my Instant Pot, put it on saute, and saute my roast for 5 minutes on each side. This thing gets really hot really fast. So after that's done with the first side, I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. And I'm going to do this to both pieces again. You may only have one piece. Good for you. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth and some onions and deglaze the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to add in both pieces of the roast together. It really didn't matter that this was huge. This was like a 5-pound roast or something like that. It was humongous. But both pieces fit in perfectly. I have a 6-quart Instant Pot. I'm going to cook this on high for 70 minutes. I'm actually going to use the meat setting. And first I'm going to make sure my thing is sealed. After this is all done, I'm going to release the steam from the Instant Pot. I did this on 70 minutes again. So we're releasing the steam. I'm kind of redirecting it away from my face, but I put no pressure on it. And I'm going to open the lid. But before that, pay attention to the arrows. Make sure you have this on venting and make sure the pin has dropped. Remove the lid away from your face, which I did not do. And then voila, there it is. This, you can see the liquid is still very hot, so I let it cool for a few minutes. And then this is just fork tender. I can literally break it apart with a fork. I'm going to taste this off camera. And then I'm just going to go on and remove the roast and make my gravy. It's a keto-friendly gravy. I'm so excited. So as I take out each piece, you'll see they're still pretty tender and they're kind of intact. I didn't want to go for shredded meat. If I want to shred it, it will come apart easily. And I didn't want it so tough to where I could actually slice it. We like our roast in chunks. That's just how my family likes it. So I'm going to remove all the pieces and then give you guys a shot of that. And then we're going to move on to the gravy. This is so exciting because it was so good. You see that? It's so pretty. So next, I turn my Instant Pot on saute and I'm using xanthan gum. This is a great thickener, a low carb or no carb thickener. I'm using 2 tablespoons. There's about 4 cups of liquid in my Instant Pot. The 2 cups I added and about 2 cups from the beef. I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And this is what it looks like after incorporating everything. The longer you let it sit, the thicker it will get. But I'm going to show you guys what this looks like right after it was made. My family eats rice, so you see rice on that plate. I'm a keto eater, so it wasn't for me. But I will have everything, and I can have the gravy. I can make cauliflower rice if I want, or mashed cauliflower, which kind of emulates mashed potatoes. But anyways, look at how tender that is. Look at it. Look at it. You see that? Oh my gosh, it was so good, and I'm so proud of my gravy. And thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to take the poll on this video.